Welcome to Spring LIB.
So I think the point of this exercise, writing a letter to grandma, is to kind of get you to summarize the big topics that we've talked about. The biggest one is F equals ma. The force that's exerted on an object, the net force rather, is equal to the mass times acceleration of that object. As far as why two things with different masses can accelerate at the same have the same acceleration near Earth. Well, that's if we divide both sides by the mass, get some cancellation over here on the right, and we're left with just the acceleration is equal to the force divided by the mass. So that explains that. If you want some historical context, you should Google Newton and the apple tree. It's a pretty cool story. He just gets kind of hit on the head with an apple. And actually, if you want to make it really interesting, you could talk about how Newton was only under the apple tree at his mom's house because he was avoiding the plague at his university. I think that's just kind of an interesting tidbit. And then conceptually, what acceleration is, it's just the change in velocity each unit of time. In that equation, and this is another just really important one to understand. Acceleration is the change in velocity per delta t. And yeah, the point of explaining it to your grandmother is to talk about to somebody who has not taken your class, and really make sure they understand the concepts at a beginner's level. So